Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick apple pie. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, like 2 pounds of fresh apples and 1 sheet of store-bought puff pastry. Then, we'll quickly prepare the apples, mixing them with a few spices. Finally, I'll guide you through assembling and baking this delicious dessert in under an hour, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's get those apples ready. For the best taste, select about 6 medium, firm, tart apples like Granny Smith. Peel, core, and slice them into 1/4-inch pieces. In a bowl, gently toss these slices with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A little squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten the flavors and prevent browning. Time to assemble our quick apple pie. Take 1 sheet of store-bought puff pastry and roll it out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spoon your prepared apple filling into the center, leaving a generous 2-inch border all around. Gently fold the pastry edges over the apples, creating a charming, rustic, open-faced tart. For a beautiful golden crust, brush the exposed pastry with an egg wash. Finally, it's time to bake. Place your pie in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the apples are tender. Once baked, let it cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. Serve this delightful quick apple pie warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.